Earlier this winter, I had been working on an offline voice-based Wikipedia concept with a Raspberry Pi device. Raspberry Pi is a really cheap computer that has some basic capabilities. I had it working, but it was taking about 95 seconds to be able to process voiced queries, and I did some work during the Wikimania hackathon to see if I could speed things up. Well, I finally figured out how to speed things up, and I wanted to show you a demo of how this thing works. So this little box here is the Raspberry Pi. Right now I've got some speakers hooked up to it and a microphone. There's like consumer grade stuff that you can plug in that's really cheap, and this stuff is actually pretty cheap, but I just needed something that was working. Anyway, here's how the thing works.
What subject do you want to learn about? I will listen for 5 seconds.
Solar system.
Okay, look. I think you said solar system. The solar system is the gravitationally bound system of the sun and the objects that orbit it, either directly or indirectly.
I'll stop this.
Of that.
So, there was one query. Let's try it again.
What subject do you want to learn about? I will listen for 5 seconds.
Cornflakes.
Okay, look. I think you said cornflakes. Cornflakes are a breakfast cereal made by toasting flakes of corn maize.
Okay, I'll stop this. Let's try something else.
What subject do you want to learn about? I will listen for 5 seconds.
Exercise videos.
Okay, look. I think you said exercise videos. Jane Seymour Fundle born December 21st, 1937.
Okay, let's try something a little bit more complex.
What subject do you want to learn about? I will listen for 5 seconds.
Deep vein thrombosis.
Okay, look. I think you said deep vein thrombosis. Sorry, I have a small file. Maybe we should add fuzzy magic and talk to Killix about this later.
So that's it. I just used a small file to, that has like some text in it to be able to do some searching based on the voice recognition. The technical details are basically that I've been working on this thing called TensorFlow Lite, which is AI that runs really well on smaller devices. In this case, these Raspberry Pis can be had for like $25 to $55. There are even cheaper models that I think this will probably work on, but I'd like to talk a bit with some people about whether they'd be interested in perhaps integrating this kind of stuff into whatever Raspberry Pi based applications they're developing. It's conceivable that this could run in other sorts of environments outside of Raspberry Pi as well. Okay, that's it. Thanks.